Welcome back to my channel. Today our vlog is in Laguna Beach. And I'm here with another special guest.
Hello mate! We're actually in San Clemente, so sorry about that. Laguna Beach tomorrow though.
Oh yeah.
I go to a coffee shop called Something in Toast. There's a lot of toast there, that's all I know.
And we're big toast connoisseurs. As you guys know, avocado toast every morning. We got here late last night, like after midnight.
So that's probably a little bit dead. He's actually just walking around.
I know, they have
look at the hat.
Multiple on-foot mailmen, and I haven't seen that in forever. The houses are really cool though. I love how active people are.
Active area for sure.
Hey guys, I just surfed a huge wave for the first time in my life.
Huge ass mother wave. It was so sick. I got the whole thing on video. It was insane. I literally, she went down, drop takeoff, barreled. It was
hit
so
the lip.
Drop down. Snap. Dude, she freaking whacked that thing. It was insane. The little aerial. I literally got that on video, filmed it. We had a little like sit on the couch, little run through, put on the TV. It was sick. We had like a whole crew of drinks, had some chips, watched the whole deal. Could have a little documentary on it for sure. But I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a little surf video just of Les dropping in, hitting some gnarly ass little barrels. Sure, it's gonna be a good time, guys. Trust me, good time.
We're on our way right now to Laguna Beach.
Let's move on from the whole surfing deal.
It was perfect. We got the cafe thing, which was so good. The food was so good and fresh.
Yeah.
Best tomato I'd ever had in my entire life, for sure.
No, it was actually phenomenal.
And
now,
then
you can see that we were a bit like revitalized, rejuvenated after that. We were dead this morning. We had like no sleep. Got in at like 1 o'clock, so it was a bit of a long day. I woke up at 9. I thought it was like 12. It wasn't.
Yeah, we're going to Laguna and we're gonna check it out. What's today's quote of the day?
If you can't beat him, join him. That's the quote of the day. And actually, I take it back because you don't need to do that. Be yourself, be individual, be unique. Don't let anyone bend your will. You do you, pal. You do you. Next question.
Mine is to be the difference.
Wow. Be the difference.
Be the difference.
I'm gonna write that one down.
Okay, love you guys, you're beautiful. Okay, so we're in Laguna. Keenan's chopping it up right now. We went to this art gallery and it was crazy because we were walking by and I was like, literally just right before we were walking up to the building, I was like, I don't know what this place is, but I like it. And we just like turned and walked in. Randomly, the guy inside that was like explaining to us what the art gallery was, the artist and all that stuff, it was like, I really want to live in this place, and literally says my hometown. Isn't that so crazy? What a weird little just like human connection moment. Aww. They're hugging. Okay, I'm gonna let Keenan tell you the story about who he was chopping it up with.
Okay, so this is the second time I've seen this guy today. The first time we were parking the car and he thought we dropped something. He said he like picked it up and gave it to me and he was like, hey, I think you dropped this, I don't know. And like, I saw his rings and I was like, oh, they're like turquoise, super cool rings. And I was like, those are so cool, man. He's like, hey, thank you so much. And he just carried on walking. And then now we're filling up gas at the gas station. And I saw him walking past again. I was like, I'm not gonna let that happen. Like, he's not just gonna walk past. Like, I wanna say hello. It's like, I walked up to him, I was like, hey, man. It's like, hey, good to see you again. And I like straight away, I could hear an accent. I thought it was like Jamaican because it's kind of like blended, like a blend of what where he's from. But he's from Kenya, and he's from like 20 miles outside of Nairobi. So I was just kind of speaking to him about that. I was like, oh, I'm from South Africa, and he just met 2 South Africans yesterday. And he was just saying, oh, like South Africans are the best people. I was like, oh, thank you so much. Like such a genuinely cool guy. And then I was like, what happened? Because he had like marks on his pants. He's like, oh, like I'm an artist. Like I do all the murals and stuff out here. I don't know if you've seen anything. And I was like, would I like recognize you? Things like, yeah, all the banners and stuff. So I think he did that. That's one of the ones he's done. I think that like Like he does all that stuff for Laguna Beach art. And I was like talking, he was like, man, one love, thank you so much, like you've made my day. And yeah, he's basically like, please can you add me on something, like I want to stay connected, I want to see what you're doing with your life. And I added him on Instagram. Such a cool dude though. And he was like, yeah, I'm gonna make you a mural, like he's gonna make me a piece of artwork. I was like, man, I'll buy it from you, you don't have to do it. He's like, no, like thank you so much, I'm gonna give it to you, you just stay connected, like tell me what you're interested in, like, and I'll do it for you. I was like, damn, thank you.